joystick control wheelchair. So this is the joystick switch, two switches will be there. So you have to put on front side, both forward. You are putting the joystick for front side, it will be moving forward. Center off. Backward. Then alternate. This is the right side. This is left side. Alternately left side. So this is the 4 operations. Joystick control 4 operations. So we are adding a DC motor. First battery 12 volt 7 Ah lead acid rechargeable battery. Once you are recharging 40 minutes it will run. Then DC motor 12 volt 90 watt 60 rpm permanent DC motor. This is the only 3 ratio gear ratio per gear ratio. Shaft 15 mm diameter shaft. Bearing 6202 ball bearing. Wheel 18 inch diameter rubber wheel. Front 3 inch diameter nylon wheel. 3 inch diameter nylon wheel. So this is the model wheelchair. This is the model wheelchair for sheet metal working. Frame. This is the 10 amps joystick switch. Center is off. One direction means moving one direction for motor rotate. This switch for this motor, that switch for that motor. So this is the concept of joystick controlled motorized wheelchair.